Goodbye tension, hello pension. Attention all baby boomers. Are you planning on retiring? Great news, your home equity can actually help you achieve your goal. Hi, I'm Nguyen with Ace Estate at Keller William Reality. Whether you have just retired or you thinking about retiring, you may realize your current home may not suit your new lifestyle. It may be time to sell. According to research from the Retirement Industry Trust Association, the typical retirement age is 65 years old, and most homeowners have built enough home equity to help with this next phase of their lives. It may be time to downsize, move closer to a family, or purchase a home in a dream destination that is less expensive and with a better climate. Your current home equity may help you achieve that goal. According to the National Association of Realtors, a homeowner who purchased a typical home 5 years ago would have gained $125,300 from just price appreciation alone. Of course, if you have been in your home much longer, that number can be significantly higher. As always, there will be some risk. Given home equity is such a big part of someone's net worth and your biggest asset, it's best to consult with a trusted real estate professional who can help determine the best option for you as you move into your golden years of retirement. Please feel free to contact my team and I with any questions so we can help you make an informative decision in today's markets. And as always, we're here to turn dreams into reality, one home at a time.